Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Wait. Let's move here. And things. Hello, everyone. Bukas? Wala. Today yung live. Where did you see the bukas? Today, guys, join the Instagram channel and the TikTok bulletin. Hello, Pia Lexart. Hello. Yes, I didn't go live. I don't go live on the weekends, but tomorrow, hindi ako maka-live. I announce, guys, when I go live. So, make sure to check Instagram channel and the TikTok bulletin. You're not late. We just started. Hello, AL. But yes, I didn't go live yesterday because yesterday was my mom's birthday. Hello, Rodifordium. Good morning. Do you guys get notified when we start the live? Hello, Isa Lenor, you're back. Did you get to rewatch the part you missed yesterday? Hello, Nico. How are you? Thank you. Let's see. We haven't started. We usually start 5 minutes in, so if you're watching this recording, you can skip forward 5 minutes. Narrator vid. Hello, Chloe. Low battery. Okay, let's see. If 4 lines are drawn in a plane. Are you late? No, you're not late. We just started. Because my throat kind of hurts, so I have to speak closer to the mic. So, yes. Thank you, Rai. Very busy sa orgs, Nico. BS org is not the way. Char. If you're first year, it's okay. Second year, you can start looking for internships. Second, kasi people are sweats now. Before, puro org lang. And then, ngayon, pati mga second year nag-internship na. Oh, you're planning a welcoming sa freshies. That's good. Yeah, I used to join that until third year ako nag-org. And then fourth year ako nag-internships. For incoming UPCAT, our tips are to study your weakest points. So, yes, if you're weak in math, you always have to study math. And yes, the lives are recorded. You have to study every day, guys. So, you have how many days left? 21? 19, 21 days left. Yes, look for Nico. Voluntary internships. My program was management engineering. It's a course in Ateneo. But yung katumbas niya sa UP is industrial engineering. How do you maintain the scholarship? Well, you just have to keep studying well. And you have to aim for A's talaga. So, A's or unos. Good luck sa PMA. Where can you see the recorded live? Over here, on the red, the YouTube channel. So, that's where over here is the YouTube channel. You guys see. We post it every night. Yes, graduate. So, if you're new here, I graduated last June. Yes, I was a full scholar in Ateneo. Here's my medal if you want to see. I found it after losing it. Grade 11. If you're grade 11 right now, next year ka mag-a-apply. Pati mag-take. Next year ka mag-take. Talaga po ba may Tagalog na questions? Meron daw onte. Yes. Medal na naman niya. Syempre guys, my medal every time somebody asks. You don't know how hard it is to get this. It's so hard. Also, not sa Ateneo kasi, the medals don't look alike. So, iba itsura ng Summa, iba itsura ng Magna. So, ayan yung Magna, guys. Tapos, yung honorable mention, pabilog lang siya. So, alam mo agad kung anong honor nila, like, depending on the medal. Yeah, that's why I always show it, because I'm so happy to have it. Okay, we hit 5 minutes, guys. Make sure to like the live so more people can join, but we can finally start. We're gonna start. So, do you want a poll? Gen Math, we've been teaching Gen Math. Just check out the ano ba topic sa Gen Math? I'm gonna put up a poll, so make sure to bring out your papers kapag gusto mo pumasa sa PMA. I'm not sure ano bang yung weakness mo pa rin. I think same lang naman yung exams, may math pa rin sa PMA na entrance exam. Pero may physical test din yun, diba? So, feel ko need mo din mag-practice for that. I have a friend, person from my batch who graduated PMA recently. Tapos mataas ata yung rank niya or something. Quick poll. Ay, bakit quick poll? Custom poll. Okay. A, B, C, or D for this one, guys. Are we ready? To improve math kahit di magaling, you have to practice it every day. So, we teach people. There are a lot of people dito. If you're not good in math, just try to watch our recordings if you just got here. Pero, what you have to do is do it every day talaga. Yung math kasi, more on practice siya, hindi siya memorization. So, you have to be able to do it every day para masanay ka. Para lang siyang push-ups. Yes.
Push-ups?
Coming in here for some attention, I see.
What you say?
If 4 lines are drawn in a plane, what is the maximum possible number of points of intersection of the lines? So, this is what a plane looks like. And how do you draw 4 lines? Like this. 3, 4. What's the maximum? What's the maximum points of intersection of the lines? Let's see how many I made. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
1,
6.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How would we make 7?
How would you make 7? Is it 6, guys?
Can I try?
Wait, is there another one? Here. 4. Only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
1, 2, 3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
6.
So 6. It just looks like mine.
Really?
Yeah.
I was thinking like 3 lines that go like this way and then one
Wait,
goes
let's try. I think the max is 6, guys. So, this one, I don't think it has a solution. Things like this are only, what they call that? Like, you just draw it, and then you just have to count. So, let's see. Do you want to check the answer key, guys? Or do you trust me? Yes, I have Duolingo. I haven't done it for today. We do review English, but not science. Do you want to do English?
tonight. Sure.
I don't want to do English. Guys, do you want to do English tonight? I want math. Let's see the answer key. 61. Don't look at the answer key. C is the answer.
6.
C is the answer.
6.
The answer is C. Hello to the 1K people. Welcome to the live. If you're new here. Wait, I'll put up a poll na nga. Let's start a new poll. Do you guys want English or math? Happy face, English, sad face, math. Happy face, English, sad face, math. You're not late today. We just started, so this is our first question. Happy face, English, sad face, math. Happy face, English, sad face, math. The people have spoken.
They don't want me.
Happy face, English, sad face, math. Well, there's still there's still a lot. It's almost like 2:3.
They don't want me.
1:2. 1:2. Happy face English, guys. Sad face math. If you're new here, welcome to the live. We usually teach math every day, but we've done science once, and it actually has a lot of views on YouTube.
Really?
Yeah, it's like
The science.
because it says language prof. Because it says language prof. The others just says UPCAT review. Get out of here.
Jessa?
Huh?
Jessa's UPCAT review?
It says up. The others just say UPCAT review.
Oh.
Okay, the people have spoken. 147. Do the outside here. Like pick a struggle. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Face reveal of the guy.
What?
He comes in here to make people want to see his face, so we shouldn't give him attention.
Yes, don't give me attention.
He's
yes.
like, oh my god.
Follow me on my Instagram.
Pick me, please. Pick me, please. My brother comes in my room. He's like, oh, you're not yet live. I'm gonna come back later.
Lel.
Yes, he's my brother, guys. He passed the UPCAT 2 years ago. He passed the UPCAT 2 years ago, and then he didn't pick it, so that's on him. The perimeter of a triangle is 90 cm. The measure of the longest side is 6 less than the sum of the measures of the other two sides. Bruh. 4 times the measure of the shortest side equals the sum of the measures of the other two sides. Why is it so long?
Wait.
Guys, why is it so long? Like, what are they trying to prove? Okay, so what do? We start by drawing. That's how we always start. Draw the triangle like this. Let's make a longest side though. I want a right triangle. This one's the right triangle. Try ko po yan. This is basic geometry. How do you review? We go question by question. I'm starting the poll, by the way. We go question by question, and that makes it easier for us to recall all the topics in math. But if you're reviewing other subjects, for example science, you have to do that one topic by topic.
Mm-hmm.
We've done analytic geom, Chloe. You can check out the recording. But we will continue to do it maybe some other day.
Oh, this is so cute.
Okay. It's supposed to have a light. Oh, it does. The perimeter of a triangle is 90 cm. The measure of the longest side, don't do that. Why would you do that?
Oh,
is
sorry.
60 less than the sum of the measures of the other two sides. What does that mean? Let's give them all a letter, guys. So this will be X, Y, and Z. So the measure of the longest side, Z, is 6 less than the sum of the measures of the other two sides. So Z is equal to what?
X.
6 less than the sum of two measures. What does that mean, Ronan?
X plus Y minus 6.
6 less than the sum of the measures. So, yes, I think so. So that will be X plus Y minus 6. 6 less? No, 6 less.
The measure of the longest side is 6 less than the sum of the measures of the other
Is
two.
that the same as Z minus 6?
Z minus 6, yeah. Wait, Z plus 6. Z plus 6 equals X plus Y.
6 less.
Yep. Because Z is 6 less than
Okay,
X plus
then let's
Y.
just put minus 6 here. Is 6 less than the sum of the measures. Wait lang, grade 7 pa lang ako. Welcome to the live. You can come back in 5 years. 5 years. Imagine I'm like, how old will I be in 5 years? 2030. UPCAT 2030. He's like,
Bro, I'll be 24.
hi guys, welcome to the live. Make sure to follow. If you're new here, I've been teaching the UPCAT for 8 years. Teaching the UPCAT for 8 years.
I'll be 24, you'll be like...
Ew, you're like graduated
You'll be like
by
29.
then. So I took the UPCAT 10 years ago. I don't take the UPCAT pala.
Someone
That's
said, how
okay.
old are you po? Guys,
How
I said
old?
the age in 5 years minus it. Wow, UPCAT review.
4 times the measure of the shortest side. 4 times. Okay, now we're looking at the next line, guys. We have to do this one line by line. Okay. Araw-araw po ba nag-live? Yes, we go live every day, but tomorrow I won't be going live because I have an internship. So, we'll be going live on Tuesday again. Tapos, hopefully, tuloy. Tuesday to Friday. 4 times the measure of the shortest side. Let's make X the shortest. Equals the sum of the measures of the other two sides. What does that mean, Ana?
4x is equal to Z plus Y.
4x equals
Z plus Y.
the sum of the other two sides. Z plus Y. What is the length in cm of the shortest side of the triangle? So what are we gonna do here? And the other thing we know is the perimeter is 90 cm. So what equation can you make out of that?
Sorry?
Given x, y, z, and the perimeter is 90 cm. Perimeter is 90 cm. What can you do with that, guys?
X plus y plus z is equal to 90.
Yes, amazing. X plus y plus z is equal to 90. Now what do we do? Because we're trying to look for x, guys. Right? Kasi ang hinahanap ay shortest side. Ang haba nito, guys. So if I were you, this is a skippable UPCAT question. Just so you know, some UPCAT questions are quicker. Some UPCAT questions are longer. Kaya when it comes to, for example, a question like, let's find an easy question. For example, a question like this one. This one was easy, remember this, guys. You have to be able to answer that in like 15 seconds.
I was gonna say a minute.
Why would you take that? My spray. 15 seconds, and so you have more time to answer the long questions like this. But honestly, it's okay to skip, but by skip I mean you have to go back to it later, and if you can't solve it anymore, kailangan nyo hulaan. So letter B ang sagot ng mga tao. I'm gonna restart the poll. So if you just got here, the poll is over there on the corner. It's color purple. Click the listing. It's color purple. Give up na ako. Kaya natin to, guys. So, what do we have to do? Kailangan, let's put everything in terms of x. So, I think we have to leave x alone. How do we do that? I think we have to turn this one. Okay, one by one. This is not an UPCAT question, I feel. This is like an MTAP question. So, let's turn this one into y. Let's make this equal to y. Oh, no. Let's make this one equal to y. Put it in terms of y, 1. So this will be like, we have to leave y alone. So this first one, let's leave y alone here, guys. What will that do? We can first move 6 to the other side. That will make it
Z plus 6.
Z plus 6 is equal to x plus y. So, transpose lang natin. Transpose. And then, we move x to this side.
Z plus 6 minus
Z
x.
plus 6 plus, wait, the length of the CM, wait. Z plus 6 plus x is equal to y.
Plus x?
Yeah, minus x.
Minus x.
So, we just turned it into this, okay? And then, what now? I was thinking, it can't work. We turn that, yung y, di ba equal to y na yan, guys? Mahaba to, kaya natin to, guys. We turn that one into this second one. So, this is our first equation. So, equal to y na siya. And then, we turn this y into this. So, papalitan natin yung y dito by this number over here. Okay? Are you still with me? Yes. We substitute the y with z plus 6 minus x. So, that will give us 4x is equal to z plus 6 minus x. Okay? And, do we get? Hindi ba letters muna before numbers? It doesn't matter. We're not there yet. Okay? We're just solving. We can move 6 at the end and it won't change anything. We're not at the final answer. Okay, let's continue. What will you simplify that as? That will be, let's move x here on the other side.
Oh.
What will that give us?
5x.
5x is equal to 2z plus 6. Wait, where are we going with this? And then, what now? We got rid of y.
We still don't know what the...
We need to put it down here in this equation over here. Oh, okay, we have to turn this in terms of z. Guys, wait, we got rid of z, and then now what?
We got rid of y.
What do we do next? Wait, di na kaya. This is such a dumb question. Who votes to skip this question?
What if we tie
No,
method?
we can solve this, but then it's just not efficient use
what
of
if
our
we
time.
tie method?
Oh, okay,
A is not,
okay. No,
A is not possible.
Shortest side.
A is not possible
Why is A not
because
possible?
maximum is 90 cm.
Oh, okay. We're gonna trial and error, guys. Yes. Okay, fine. 18. Let's try the smallest number because we're looking for the shortest side.
B is not possible.
No, my ego. I can solve this. Just kidding. I can solve it. We'll solve it later.
A and B are not possible.
What?
Because they go over 90.
So there are three sides of the perimeter is 90. And then longest side, let's use this. Longest side. Oh, let's use this 4x is equal to z plus y. So the shortest side times 4 has to, I don't know. What are you basing on?
Huh? Because these are the values for x.
Okay, we're gonna tae method and then
I think the answer is D.
longest side is 6 less than D is the smallest one. People are still saying B.
B is not possible, guys. B is not possible.
Why is B not possible?
Because 24 times 4.
Why would you times it by 4?
4x. This is
Yeah, it's equal to z plus y.
Yeah, but it can't go above 90.
No, z plus y. The two bigger sides. Like, it can be small. So 24 times 4 is
Yeah.
96. No, the sum
Yeah,
of
but
these
it's
two.
bigger than 90 already.
Yeah, but that's because it's times 4. Z plus y pa.
No.
It's
Z
equal to
plus
z
y
plus
can't
y.
be over 90. 90 is the perimeter. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Oh, okay. 96. So it can't be letter B. Guys, the poll... Not them switching up. Guys, the poll. Check the poll.
A bunch of sheep.
80.
JK.
It can be C or D, guys. Is it C or D? False po.
Hulaan na lang. C or D?
C or D?
C
No, we
or
can
D?
get this. So we put...
Someone put A! Someone's voting A!
I
It's
think
not
you
A.
can't get it because his... You can't get it.
I
You
feel
need
like
one
it's-
more equation. There are only 3 equations. And you need to get 3... You need 4 equations at least. For an for 3 variables.
Yeah. But then, you can't really...
You need, guys, if you're looking for one variable x, you need 2 equations. If you're looking for 2 variables, you need 3 equations. And we have 3 variables x, y, z. But we only have 1, 2, 3 equations. Therefore, the answer is Regine Velasquez. Just kidding.
Can we check
We're
the
gonna
answer?
look. 62.
I say D.
You say D, I say C. C or D, guys. We're gonna look at the answer key. Are you ready?
You ready, guys?
Are you-
People are saying
Yes.
E.
Are you looking? Are you ready?
All of the above na lang para
C
safe.
or D? Testing or intuition? I think it's C, but I feel like it is D. But I want to say, like, if I were in the UPCAT, I would put C right now. 60 what? Number 62. It's up here. D!
I'm
Wow.
right!
It's
I'm
D.
right!
Did you
No.
get D, guys?
I'm right. You know what I was thinking? I
It
was
just
like,
18 sounds like 90. 18 times 5 is 90.
I was thinking, if it's 20, it can't be.
Yes, it
Because,
still can be.
no, it can't. Because it's
oh,
80.
yeah. X plus C.
X plus C is
Oh,
80,
yeah,
so
yeah,
it should
yeah,
be
yeah.
10.
Okay. Yeah. Because 80.
Maybe
it'll
that's
be
how
80.
you solve it.
Oh, okay. We're gonna solve it, guys. Okay. We're gonna explain bakit 18. So, remember this second equation. So, I'm gonna delete this now because it doesn't make sense. The second thing here says
Me when I try to make sense.
4 times the measure of the shortest side is equal to the sum of the measures of the other two sides. So the shortest side is x. 4x is equal to z plus y, or y plus z.
Mhm.
Now, given that, and given x plus y plus z... Oh, I know how to solve it now. 90. Guys, I got it! X plus y plus z equals 90. And z plus y is equal to... Guys, we got it! It is solvable. You see this? You see what we're doing? Okay, let's turn this into y plus z. This is y plus z. So 4x here is equal to 4x. I mean, y plus z is equal to 4x. So this is x plus 4x is equal to 90. 5x is equal to 90. Divide both sides by 5. And that's x is equal to 18. Wow, 1-1. Your brain. Big brain.
I say my
The
method.
people-
My method's like faster.
People left. There were 1.9k people. They didn't trust us.
They didn't trust us.
They didn't trust
the
us.
process.
They didn't trust us. We're over here right now.
My process was you
Wait.
times everything by 4.
Wait, so what was the point of this one?
Which one?
We need to check though. What's the point of this first line? If we didn't
Panggulo.
use it. We didn't use this line, guys. Yung yellow, we didn't use this line.
Panggulo.
Where did 5 come from? So, as you can see here, 4x is equal to y plus z. X plus y plus z is equal to 90.
So y plus z is equal
we
to
changed
4x.
this y plus z. Yung y plus z dito, ginawa nating 4x.
Because
So,
they're
x
equal.
plus 4x is equal to 90. And that's how you get 5x is equal to 90. Divide both sides by 5. Saan ako yung 4x? It's given here, guys. 4 times the measure, yung naka-orange na highlight. 4 times the measure of the shortest side equals to sum. But what's the point? How would you solve it with the 6 less than 2 times? I don't know.
I don't think we should think
Thank you for
about
following. Welcome back to the live to the people who just came in. This problem took us like 10 minutes. So, if you see a problem like this in the UPCAT, make sure to guess.
Hula. Guess wisely.
Guess wisely, but I guess that makes sense. Maybe that's how you pass the UPCAT. You're like
Me?
just guessing.
No, but like
Guessing,
like,
but with sense.
you know how I did it?
What? Go.
30 times 4.
Yeah.
120 can't be because 90.
Yeah. So we're
So
gonna
if it goes
explain.
over 90, oh, should we explain that too? Or no? If it goes over 90, it's X. And then 20 times 4 is
C
80.
for Christ. We
20
did C for Christ, but it was wrong.
20 times
So it's
4 is
letter D.
80, which leaves it
Yeah.
with 10, which cannot be.
Yeah, I get what you're saying. Intuition is the best, they said. Okay, we're moving on, guys. That was a hell of a question. In the figure, KLMN is a parallelogram with angle measurements marked as find x plus y. So we have this one, and this one. What do you know? What do you know?
The sum of all
What?
angles is 360.
Oh, that's true, but we don't know what this is.
Yeah.
So
but-
what do you know
but-
about these two?
But those are same measurement of the angle.
And what do you know about these two?
Those are equal to 180.
Okay, so we're using... Frick, it's another one.
Why don't we just
I should crop that.
these are also equal to 180, right?
Yeah.
So what if it's 105? 180 minus 105, and then we equal the difference to 3x minus 2y.
Wait, let's see. We can draw many ways. So guys, this is a parallelogram, and we know that this side, any side na magkatapat like this, are equal. Okay? These sides are magkatapat. Pero if magkatabi sila, they're equal to 180. Okay? Magkatabi is equal to 180. And then magkatapat is equal. And then the whole thing inside the parallelogram. Oh, we're gonna start the poll so you guys can guess. So make sure to start guessing in the poll. So okay,
Isn't it just faster to 105 minus
let's see.
180 minus 105?
You
because
need
it's
3
already here.
equations still. You need 3 equations. Oh, wait. No. Let's try to do, let's see. 3x minus 2y plus 105. Is that what you're saying?
Mm-hmm.
Is equal to 180. And then, what's next? We need to get x plus y. So I think our goal...
Mom's calling me.
Go. What's our goal here, guys? C, substitution method. What will you substitute? We're trying to look for 180. So, need natin mag-form ng equation para ma-solve siya. So, isolve muna natin to. 3x minus 2y. Lipat natin si 105 sa other side. It will become minus 105. So, what's 180 minus 105? That's equal to 75, right? Equal to 75. So, what's the next step? 75 yung ito. This is 75, obviously. And then ito, equal siya sa 105. Kasi equal silang dalawa. The answer is 75? Wait, what are we looking for? We're looking for x plus y, guys. So, x plus 2y... Wait lang. So, let's try x plus 2y is equal to 105. What can we do? Ah, we're gonna look for x, guys. So, can you see this? Kita nyo ba? 3x and x. Ay, do you see this? Wait. We're gonna solve it. We can solve this. Plus y and 2y. What happens if you add this? 1, 1?
So I can't see.
Plus 2y.
0.
So, this will become 0, guys. So, what we're trying to do is kina-cancel out natin. This is called systems of equations. So, we're gonna add these what do you call it? These equations. And that will give us 4x minus 2y plus 2y will be 0. So, that's nothing. Equals 180. 4x is equal to 180, which means divide both sides by 4. And x is equal to
60.
45.
Oops.
45. X is equal to 45. Now, we can just substitute x into one of these. So, let's put it in here. 3 times 45 minus 2y is equal to 75.
Isn't this one easier?
Yeah, but I'm already here. It's up here already. So, that's 105 minus 2y is equal to 75. Let's move 75 on this side. Sorry guys, I'm going upwards. That's 30 is equal to 2y. And y is equal to
15.
Wait, is that right? 30? Yeah.
Yes.
Y is equal to 15. So, we're finding x plus y. The answer is not there. 45 plus 15 is 60.
What?
135? It's 75? What? Oh, 180 divided by 4?
It's 45.
What are you saying?
What?
4x.
What?
3x 3 times 45 is 135. Sorry, I'm thinking of 35 pala. 135.
Oh.
That's, what will that give us?
110. 110 is
60?
equal to 2y.
What will that give us?
110 is equal to 2y.
What do you mean 110?
75 plus 135.
No, you divide it.
Oh, 2.
You minus.
Wait. Oh, minus?
Hello to the 2K people. They're seeing at our lowest. Why is there many people when I sound stupid? Guys,
100.
this is not us.
100.
It's not this hard.
100 minus
It's
40.
not this hard, I'm telling
60.
you.
So it's 30. 30.
What? It's not 30. It was 30 kanina.
No.
60.
30.
60 is equal to 2y. Divide both sides.
30
so
nga.
that's 30.
That's what I said. 30.
X is equal to 45 and y is equal to 30.
Yes, the answer is
So,
A.
30 plus 45 is equal to A. Did you guys get A? People got A. How did you do that?
Maybe they started.
How did you do
Maybe
that?
they're ready for the UPCAT.
Maybe they... How did they do that quicker than us?
The student
Okay,
has become
next.
the master.
Next question. Intuition? Wow, no way. No way majority just guessed A. But I guess, what would be the intuition logic for that? Because, I don't know, there's no logic. You have to find X and Y. Because there's no X and Y naman here. So, 180 minus 105? Why would you do that? Oh, but, okay. Whatever.
That's what I was saying, but then like
Yeah,
I
but
didn't
there's
know
no
how
X
to
plus
follow
Y.
it up. I didn't know how to follow it up.
Okay, that's
You know what I
good
mean.
for you guys. What's the sum of the measures of the angles of this polygon? Ooh.
Forget
One,
how to
one.
do this. If
Well, there's a
triangle
formula.
is 180.
Oh, can you suck the ano?
This?
Charger. Yes, it's over there.
It's 90 raised to how many sides? Or 90
Shift
times how
solve.
many
You can
sides?
shift solve, guys. Welcome to the live. If you're new here, this is the UPCAT review, which
Let me
means
test
if you want to
something.
get into UP, you have to pass the UPCAT. And then, so, bawal ang calculator. And you're gonna take the exam for like 6 months. For 6 hours. So, all manual, all brain, all your own capacity. By the way, that's in 21 days, which is 3 weeks. So, if you haven't started studying, it's time to start studying. Where did 45 come from? We divided 180 by 4. So, yes. 180 divided by 4 is 45.
I don't know how to solve this.
There's a formula for this, guys. Did you start the poll? Restarting the poll, guys. Make sure to answer the poll. It's up on the left corner over there. So how do we solve this? We're looking at, all I know is 360 is the inside. 360 is the outside, right?
Wait, why?
Oh, I know. This is n minus 2 times 180. This is the formula, guys. So there's no way. Polygon, how many?
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So because that's such an ugly shape, by the way, hindi pala siya pantay.
It looks like a soap bar.
It's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7. This is a formula, guys. It's a known formula. So you just have to kind of memorize it. Okay, so that's 7 minus 2 times 180 is equal to 5 times 180, which is equal to 1.
9.
Yes, 900. So the answer is letter B. Wow, why did people say letter C, guys? Who said letter C?
Someone said B malala.
What's
Oh,
that mean?
indigo. I don't know.
Let's go. We did it, guys. We did it. We're back. We're back. We're back, baby. Yeah, that.
Woo, we're back, baby.
Okay. When the length of a rectangle is divided by 4, don't I have another chair? And the width is tripled, the area of the new rectangle is the area of the original one multiplied by. Okay. So what we're gonna do here is what we call simple example. Yes, easy lang if my formula.
Oh,
What?
I like simple example.
Okay, so
you
when
taught
the
me
length
that.
of a rectangle is divided by 4 and the width is tripled. So first, we're gonna start with the original. So gagawa tayo, magsaset tayo ng value for the original rectangle. Rectangle pala. So the width of the rectangle,
say
let's make
2.
it 2. Wait, divided by 4. So let's make it 4. 4 on one side and the width is 1. Okay? Width is 1, length is 4. So what is the area of this one, guys? What's the area of this one? Oh, we're
4.
restarting the poll. Restarting the poll, guys. Answer the poll right now to make your guess. What is the area of this, guys?
Length times width.
Length times width is the area. So
4 square units.
that's equal to 4. I'm putting the area inside. Area is equal to 4. So this is the original. And then now we make the new one. New rectangle. Kita nyo pa ba? Let's put it down here. New rectangle. Okay. Length is equal to this.
4.
So wait. Why? That's your answer?
Yes, that's my answer.
Your answer is what? D?
D. My answer is D.
So if the width is tripled, width will become
3.
3. If the length is divided by 4, it will become
1.
1.
1 times 3.
So the area is equal to 1 times 3, which is equal to 3. So nobody got it. Only 27 people.
Where?
The answer, you said 3/4. It's letter B.
Why is it B?
Cause the width is 3. The length is 1.
Area of the new is multiplied by.
Oh, multiplied by.
I'm right.
I thought we were looking for the area. Read the text, please. You read me!
The dyslexic
Guys,
person.
thank you for coming to the live. Make sure to come back tomorrow. We're ending here. You read me.
Whoopsie. Guys, stop bullying her,
Yo,
guys.
who said that? Who said that?
Who said that?
We're blocking you. Dead masha bashers. So, it says, is the area... What?
Pagod ka tayo, someone said. Nahiya tuloy. Patingin mo na answer key.
Area of the original one multiplied by. So, what does that mean? The area of the new rectangle.
It's
The
D.
area of the new rectangle. So, new rectangle 3 is equal to 4 times
D
X.
over 4.
So, how do you get X? All you have to do is divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by 4. Dead masabashers, true. Divide both sides by 4 and that will leave us with X is equal to 3/4. So the answer is 3/4.
Yes!
Woo!
Yes!
We got that. That was so easy.
Yes,
Like I did
guys.
not make any mistakes. What's
Yeah.
that? What do you say? No.
Huh?
No crumbs.
No
Left
crumbs.
no crumbs.
There's no crumbs. We have a new one. We have a
Basic.
new one.
What?
No hesitant. No hesitation.
I don't know that.
Oops.
Tuwing kailan ka po nag-live? Welcome to the live. If you're new here, we go live every day, but not tomorrow. Every day at 8 p.m. So we usually go 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. or like 9:30, depending how dead my brain is. But yes, we usually teach math, by the way. So today I'm with my brother. Next question on it. In the parallelogram, WXYZ, V is the midpoint. So yes, guys, make sure to follow if you're new here. Also, if you want to follow my brother, I'll put his Instagram. We should put a text if you want.
Okay.
Okay, you read the question. Read the question.
In parallelogram WXYZ, V is the midpoint of ZY. The area of WZV is what percent of the area of WXYZ? So what we have to do here is solve it. Galing. Galing. Because I'm hot Maria Clara.
Wait, where's the space?
What?
Where does space go? Here?
Yeah.
Add source. Okay, where did it go? Oops. We'll put you up here. There. Okay, so let's continue. The area of WZV is what percent of the area? Ooh. How will we get that, guys? Oh, the midpoint. V is the midpoint. What does midpoint mean, Wanon? So this is a midpoint daw.
Bisects.
The meaning of midpoint is this is an equal to this one. This one's equal to this. So, the area of this, what percent is the area? Ooh.
I would like to guess.
What's your guess? Guys,
my guess is
restarting the poll, make sure to put in your guesses. So, I can't think of a formula for this right now.
My guess is
what's your guess?
B.
It's either B or D for me. Like, it can't be 1/3 for sure. It does.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, guys. So the way we would solve this is this is the midpoint, right? So if we get the midpoint of WX down here, and we connect them, what does that make these two rectangles? This rectangle what is its relation to this one?
They're congruent.
Let's wait for their answer. No need to solve. Yes, it's equal, guys. They're equal. And we know that yung kalahati, so they're equal, right? And then we know that this triangle, is it equal to this triangle?
Yes.
So this triangle is equal to this triangle because this is a midpoint and this is a corner. And then this whole thing is equal to this whole thing, which means that's just 1/4. And we know that 1/4 of the whole thing is just 25%. So if you guys
Right,
yes,
right.
we did it.
Yes,
Woo!
yes, we're back.
We're back.
We're back.
Also, guys, if you're new here, you have to memorize this simple fractions. One of these to memorize this.
No.
So this is what we
I
call
don't have
simple
to do that
fractions.
in music.
This is what we call simple fractions, guys. You have to memorize it. For example, if I say 1/4, dapat alam nyo na 1/4 is equal to 25%. So 1/4 is 25%, as you can see here. And when it comes to other numbers, kailangan din siya, okay? So, for example, 4/5 is equal to 0.8, okay? Do you guys memorize this yet? Make sure to SSD, comment, subscribe, follow. Comment SSD, mine. Okay, thank you so much. Make sure you need this, guys, in the UPCAT. It's the one thing you need, okay? Okay, thank you, SSD done. We're going back now to the questions. So, oh, wait, let's go back to the questions. There, okay. So, next question. Mine 300. The figure has 4 squares placed side by side. How many rectangles are in the figure? Ooh! What is a rectangle, guys? This is where the debate comes in. What is considered a rectangle? So, all we know about a rectangle, yung features ng isang rectangle is dapat all sides, all of its corners are 90 degrees. So, is a square a rectangle? Is this a rectangle? Can somebody tell me? Yes or no? Yes or no? I'm restarting the poll, by the way. Is a square a rectangle? Oh, people are debating. The answer, guys, is yes. So a square is a rectangle, but a rectangle is not always a square. So a rectangle is not always a square kasi ang definition ng square ay dapat equal sides silang lahat. Dapat ganito ang square. Dapat equal sides. Pero ang rectangle, hindi specifically na hindi kailangan mas mahaba yung one side. pwedeng equal yung sides ng rectangle, which makes it a square. So, yung family tree, alam niyo yung family tree, this is a parallelogram, and then this is a, basta may rhombus dyan. We can look at it later. Do you want to look at it now? We have a código for that, guys. Do you guys want to see it? Or just make sure to guess right now your answers. You can solve it on paper if you want and draw out all the numbers of squares. But let me show you the código. We have it over here. We have it in the geom area. So this, here it is, guys. So we start over here in what we call a quadrilateral. If you want this, if you guys are new here, by the way, we share the PDF reviewers over here on IG, so make sure to follow me on IG. And then if you're just new here, you can watch the recordings. We've been going live for 23 days, 24 days. So it's over here on YouTube. Okay, quadrilateral. So quadrilateral has two babies, the kite. The kite has no other family. Oh, does it? Oh, it's related to the rhombus, but it's not equal. And a trapezoid. Yung trapezoid, pwede siya, it goes down to parallelogram and isosceles. So, parallelogram, pag parallel, yung sides like this. And isosceles, pag paloob siya like this. And then, under parallelogram, we have the rectangle. And under rectangle, we have the square. So, a rectangle falls under square, which is why, is a square a rectangle, Wanon?
Yes.
Yes, a square is a rectangle. So, yes. Going back.
OMG!
What?
Family strokes.
No. Get out of here.
Bye-bye.
You're leaving?
I
Okay, so
might
we're gonna
stay in my room
answer.
for a
We're
bit.
gonna, okay,
I'll
come
come
back later. So, we're gonna answer this one. How many?
Shouldn't knock your door.
No, it's okay. We're gonna count manually, okay? We're gonna count manually. How many there are. So this is 1, this is 2. We're counting the squares first. 3 and 4. And then now we're gonna count the longer rectangles. We're counting 1 by 2 by 1. 2 and 3. So there are 3, not 2 squares na magkatikit. So how many do we have now? 4 plus 3. We have, let's write it down. 4 plus 3. And then next we do the triangles na tatlo. So that's 1 and 2. So that's 4 plus 3 plus 2. And then lastly, we have the big one, which is just 1. So 1 whole big one. So the answer is 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 10. Did you guys get 10? Or is it D? Does anyone argue there's more than 10? I think there's 10. So the answer is letter C. Yes. Very, very fun. People said B. How did you guys get B? Ano yung kulang nyo? Yes, it's F. It's letter C, guys. Yes. Okay, moving on. Very basic. An isosceles triangle with base 10 has an area of 60 cm squared. Find its perimeter. Ooh, so isosceles triangle, guys. Ang meaning ng isosceles is it has two equal legs. So these are the legs na equal, and we're looking for its height. Kasi, okay, wait. Base 10, right? This base is equal to 10. So this is 10. And then we're looking for the height. Remember, the area of a triangle, I already know what technique is this. Hi, BB. The technique, guys, what technique? YC? We just counted the amount of rectangles. Yes. Oh, we're redoing the poll, guys. Redoing the poll. Let me just drink some water. What technique do we use here? It's a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Does anybody know the Pythagorean triplet we're using? Okay, area of the rectangle is base times height. And sabi niya, 60 is the... Ay, Pythagorean triplet ba? Tignan muna natin. Mamaya natin hulaan. So, we're looking for the area. Area equals base times height. So, we know that the base is 10. Kaya 10 is equal, 10h is equal to 60. So, what are we looking for? 10h is equal to 60, Divide both sides by 10. And what will the height be, guys? Height is equal to 6. Height is equal to 6. So, we know that this is 6 over here. Hindi pala siya Pythagorean triplet, guys. Joke lang yun. Tapos, from there, how will we get, kailangan natin mahanap ang length nito. Hala, my voice is disappearing. So, how do we look for the length of that? We're gonna use, ay, 1/2 pala. Sabi na I was like, where did it go? 1/2 base times height. Okay, 1/2 base times height. So, that's 10. 10 divided by 2, which is just 5, right? 10 divided by 2 is 5. So, 60 is equal to 5h. Divide both sides by h, by 5. That's equal to, h is equal to 12. I knew it. I knew it was 12. I didn't have to read it. So, that's 12. And what do we know? Since this thing goes down the center of the triangle, what do we know about this? Ano yung area measurement nitong dalawa? Mahahati siya ang 10 into 2, right? So, this becomes 5 and this becomes 5. Yes. Now, we know this is 5 and this is 12. And what is the Pythagorean triplet for 5 and 12? It's 5, 12, 13. This is 13 and this is 13. Now, what are we looking for? Find its perimeter ang tanong. Gusto nyo ba mag-poll ulit? So, answer right now. Given the values we have, answer the poll on what is the perimeter. So, yes. Answer the poll. What is the perimeter? Given all the values we have. By the way, if you guys are new here, how did we get 13? Okay, so while you're answering the poll, guys, I'm gonna answer. So, 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. Why do we know that? It's just given, guys. If you're new here, we've been talking about Pythagorean triplets for a while now. Madaming Pythagorean triplets. Like, for example, if this is 3 and 4, if the legs of this triangle are 3 and 4, what is the hypotenuse? Can somebody tell me right away? What's the hypotenuse of 3 and 4? Yes, it's 5. Good job, Brian, Lo, Rai, and Thirsty. So this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. So, madaming Pythagorean triplets, guys. And if everyday kayo nagsasolve, mamememorize nyo siya or like magiging familiar kayo sa kanya. And very important siya pagdating sa UPCAT kasi hindi nyo na kailangan mag-solve. I mean, masasolve nyo pa rin siya. For example, if hindi mo alam ang 5, 12, 13, what you can do is solve it the Pythagorean theorem way, which is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So, isa-solve nyo lang siya, guys. 5 squared plus 12 squared is equal to blank, c squared. This is 25 plus 144 is equal to c squared. 169, which is 25 plus 144, is equal to c squared. And then square root both sides, that will give you c is equal to 13. So, masasolve nyo pa rin siya kahit hindi nyo memorize. Pero, pag memorize nyo na yung mga ganyang Pythagorean triplet na given sila, you don't have to solve it anymore. So, yes, the people who have solved it, I feel like they've been here a while now. We use 5, 12, 13, 30, 60, 90, those types all the time. So now, what is the perimeter? Remember that the perimeter is adding up all of the sides. So that's 13 plus 13 plus 10. 13 plus 13 plus 10 is 26 plus 10, which is letter B. So the answer is letter B. Wow, we got that all together. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. Mas natutunan ako kaysa sa teacher ko. Thank you, Benz. Shout out to your teacher. Cam, not yet, guys. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go to the next question. Or do we end here, guys? Do we end here or do we keep going? Do we keep going? Number 69. I can't believe we've made it this far. Hindi ba Regine Velasquez yung sagot? Okay, thank you. Someone said, you're so smart, I'm gonna follow you home. No, don't. Okay, we're gonna keep going. Maybe until 9:30, guys. If the sides of the quadrilateral are 8, 14, 12, and 20, and the longest side of a similar quadrilateral is 30 cm, how long is the shortest side? So, when it comes to similar shapes, so this is similar shapes, right? 8. What we're gonna use is called ratio and proportion. So, ratio and proportion lang ang gagamitin. When it comes to similar quadrilateral, ibig sabihin, same sila ng ratio to proportion. So, this will be 8 is to 14 is to 12 is to 20 is to blank 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 is to 30. Bakit ko nasabi na 30 yung dulo? Kasi longest side daw ay 30. And dahil longest side natin dito ay 20, 30 yung longest side. And then, ang shortest ang hinahanap natin. So, what are we gonna use sa shortest side here? Saan natin itatapat ang shortest side na x? So, x is gonna be tapat to 8 because 8 is the shortest side. Not 12, 8. So, yes, 8 ang shortest side, guys. Okay? So, that will be 8 is to 20, shortest to longest. So, hindi lang natin papansinin etong mga number because we don't need them. Longest and shortest lang ang titignan. Oh, you said 12 is the answer. Okay. And then, that's equal to x is to 30. So, how do we solve this? We just turn it into fraction form. This will be 8 over 20 is equal to x over 30. What's the first thing we do, guys, when we solve for questions like this? We have to cancel where we can. Okay? So, pwede natin i-divide itong dalawa by 2 or by 4. We can divide them by 4. And what's the simplification of that? This will become 8 divided by 4 is 2, and this will be over 5. 2 over 5. Tapos, yung 30, pwede na natin siya i-multiply on this side. So, kailangan natin i-transpose yung 30 na to and ilipat siya sa kabilang side. So, that will give us, getting rid of this, it will give us 30 times 2/5 is equal to x. And then before multiplying, what you have to do again is to cancel. Cancel where you can. So 30 and 5, 30 divided by 5 will give us 6. And 6 times 2 is equal to 12. So the answer is 12. Yes, it is ratio and proportion. Mas madali. It is ratio and proportion already. So, yes, we're just doing it slowly. Hindi po ba dapat negative 30 since transpose? No, because this is a divide. Remember, nagbabago lang ang sign kapag plus or minus yung tinatranspose. 20 minus 8? Hindi pwede yung 20 minus 8. Okay. 67? We're done with 67. Alden Recharge. Regine Velasquez. The answer is letter B, guys. 69, letter B. Pwede ba going 5 times, then 60 divided by 5? Yes, that's what we did. Yes, that's what we did. Next. Okay, next, guys. You can cross-multiply, yes. We're just trying to do it slower. Yun din naman yung ginawa natin. Nag-cross-multiply tayo. Pero, yeah, that's what we did. We just did it slower to show you na mas madali mag-cancel muna kesa mag-multiply agad, tas mag-divide. So, pabilisan kasi sa UPCAT, guys. You have to be able to finish 60 items in 75 minutes. Okay? You cannot shift solve in the UPCAT. Why do you keep commenting that, guys? Guys, in my entire high school, I never used shift solve. Like, natutunan ko lang yun ng college. So, it's so crazy na you guys use shift solve. You shouldn't get, complacent or something. I don't know. Next question. In the figure, okay, we're gonna explain transpose first because people are asking. Okay, for example, guys, x equals negative 3 plus 2x. So, paano natin iiwan dito? Kailangan natin mag-transpose para maiwan si 2x. Dapat maging x lang sa isang side. So, what we're gonna do, dahil positive na to, ita-transpose natin yung isang x dito. Tapos yung 3, ita-transpose sa kabilang side. Dito na mababago yung sign ng transposing. Bakit? Kasi plus lang siya over here. So, etong negative 3, magiging positive 3 sa kabilang side. 3 is equal to 2x. Tapos, yung x dito, magiging negative x. Kasi, isa lang siya. So, magiging negative x siya. And that's why, x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Okay? But, when do we know na hindi mababago yung sign? For example, 10 is equal to 2x. Ay, 1/2 na lang. 1/2 x. So, yung 2 dito sa baba, hindi siya pag move natin to the other side, magiging 2 na lang siya. Kasi divide siya dito, diba? Or this is x over 2. Divide siya, and dito, magiging multiply na siya. Hindi siya mababago ng sign. Like, magiging multiply lang siya. So, for example, dito, ang difference is this one, addition becomes subtraction. Yung difference dito, multiplication becomes division. Okay? So, yes, hindi siya nababago ng sign. Nababago yung addition to subtraction, multiplication to division. Okay? Okay. Let's continue. Point A, which is 5, 3, is the midpoint of the line OAK, where O is at the origin. The coordinates of K are, midpoint of the line, where O is at the origin. Do you guys know? Oh, sorry, we skipped it. Oh, yeah, there's one more. Next question. Ay, ito muna. Nabasa ko na, guys. Basahin. Okay. Fine. Fine. Okay, let's continue. In the figure, the ratio of the area of the triangle LEA to the area of the rectangle last is... so, ito na naman tayo sa ratio ng triangle to the area of the whole thing. What do you guys think is the answer? I'm starting the poll. I feel like wala siyang computation, no? So, need lang natin hulaan ulit. Ano meaning ng, or ano yung value ng bawat LEA. So, what we can do, I feel like it's LEA is to the whole thing. 2 is, 1/2. Is it 1/2, guys? Because 1/2 looks like this. Pag dinivide natin pa ganito, that's 1/2. 1/2 ito, and then ito. So, how would we get that? Ano yung reasoning niya? Okay. So, we divide it like this, and then we know that this is half. This yellow part is half of this orange part, yes. And then, this yellow part here is also half of this orange part. So, kung half siya nung dalawang part, then it's 1/2, right? So, the ratio is 1:2. Did you get letter A? What is the question? Any cheating tips? Guys, don't cheat in the UPCAT, okay? It's not worth cheating. Kasi, papasok kayo sa UP. UP is so hard already. And kung hindi pa nga kayo makapasa sa UPCAT, paano pa kayo makasurvive sa UP? Okay? Mahirap sa UP, guys. So, what you can do though is bring a hamburger and distract the other people taking the UPCAT. So, magdala kayo ng mabangong food para magutom sila, tapos madidistract yung katabi nyo. But, no cheating, okay? Yes, Nico said no cheating. It's not good to cheat because your brain, yes. But you can eat food and not mean to distract the other people. Nico, Nico, pati ako hindi ako magda-data science, Nico eh. Char. Guys, Nico here is our first batch of Julia's Review Center enrollees. So, Nico is in UP Mindanao. And he also passed an Ateneo scholarship. So, the answer, guys, is letter A over here. So, you can ask him any questions about UP if you want. And about the UPCAT. Because he's in the UP help desk. He used to be. Okay, next question. Point A. Okay, let's draw OAK. O-A-K. So, it's the midpoint daw, guys. OAK. Where O is at the origin and the coordinates of K are. So, O is at the origin. And the origin, guys, when it comes to our Cartesian plane, ito yung O, origin, that's at 0, 0. Okay? 0, 0 yan. Tapos, we are at 5, 3. So, 5, 3 siya. When we draw it, draw na nga natin dito. This is at 5, 3. So, it's around here. 5, 3. So, this is 5, 3. So, what are we looking for? We're looking for the coordinates of K. So, okay. Let's draw it here. Let's draw it big. I'll show you guys what this means. This is the origin. The origin is yung gitnang-gitna ng Cartesian plane. Did I restart the poll? I'm restarting the poll. You guys can watch it over here. Check out the poll. Thank you for following. Ako Moscow user. Okay. So what we're gonna do is, this is 0, 0 or O, and this is 5, and this is 3. So this is 5, 3. 5, 3. And ang hinahanap natin guys is something over here kasi midpoint daw sila. Ang meaning ng midpoint, okay, there. Ang meaning ng midpoint is equal yung amount dito and yung amount dito. So what can we do? The easiest way to do this guys is we need to know ilan ang the slope. The slope, remember, slope is equal to rise over run. So to know the next point, you need to know ilan ang inakyat and ilan ang pa-3. Ilan ang rise? The rise is 3 and the run or ilang beses siya nag-turn to the right is 5. So that's all we have to do. Remember, from 0, we went 1, 2, 3, 3 pataas, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 pa right. So yun lang gagawin natin. From 5, we go from here, 5, 3, mag-add lang tayo ng 3 ulit, plus 3 tayo dito, tapos plus 5 dito. So that will give us 10, 6. You get it? We just add what we already had. So the answer is letter D. Wow, you guys got that? Ang galing naman ng mga tao for today. The answer is letter D. You don't need to show your solutions sa UPCAT. Kaya guys, the technique, you don't have to cheat guys. The technique is you have to guess your answers all the time. So, yes, you have to be able to shade all. Don't leave anything blank. That is the technique. Okay? Number 70. We're done with number 70. Okay, all the time. Yes, all the time. Make sure to guess all the time. The only question na nakasabay ako. Guys, practice shading. Oh, that's so true, Nico. I was so scared when I was shading for the election. Lagpas nga onti yung shade ko eh. Patingin ng 67. Okay. Do they use machines? Nico, do they use machines daw? I think they do. Of course they do, guys. Sobrang daming 100 plus thousand nagte-take ng UPCAT. So, yung chances nyo to get in is around 20% ba or 15%, Nico? They said maganda yung bunny teeth. Nor. Okay. Number 72. The perimeter of a square is 24. What is the length of the diagonal of the square? Hala kayo guys, diagonal. Do you remember what technique we're using here? So this is a square. And its perimeter is equal to 24. What is the side, guys? What is the length of one side of this square? What is the length of one side of this square? Yes, it's 6. Thank you, semicolon. And Liani and Lianri. Lianri pala. Okay, bakit siya 6? Remember, perimeter is equal to 4 times the side. Or basically, need mo lang i-add up lahat ng side ng square. So that's 4 sides. So divide 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4, side is equal to 6. So this is 6, 6, 6, and 6. So now we're looking for the diagonal. The diagonal is basically, it crosses it like that. And what do we know about this, guys? What do we know about this triangle? Can somebody tell me what this triangle is called? What is this triangle called? Yes, Onion the average said it's a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Ano ibig sabihin ng 45? Yes, it's a right triangle. Yes, it's also isosceles. Good job, guys. But this is a 45, 45, yes, triangle. Bakit siya 45, 45, 90? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Ang ibig sabihin nun, guys, is alam kasi natin na a triangle has 90 degree sides, right? 90 degrees, 90 degrees, and 90 degrees din to. And kapag nahati itong 90 degrees over here, magiging 45 and 45 siya. So this triangle over here is 45, 45, 90. And kapag may 45, 45, 90 triangle kayo, yung ratio niya, 45, 45, 90, that triangle has a ratio, or its sides has the ratio of 1:1 is to square root of 2. So, if yung side natin ay 6, that will be 6 is to 6. What will be the last number over here? 6 is to 6. All you have to do is multiply it by square root of 2. Kaya, the answer is, do you guys, did I do the poll? Answer the poll right now. my throat hurts, guys. The answer is yes, yes. Everybody's getting it. Wow, nobody's voting C at all. That's crazy. Oh, one person voted C. The answer is letter B. Ang dami talagang, lagi talaga may nag-vote ng Regine Velasquez na. Hindi ba kayo napapagod? Like, it's probably funny the first time you see it. Yes. How is that? Okay, because when you multiply anything, diba, 1 is to 1 is the square root of 2. When magiging 6 na yung side dito, since 6 yung side dito, yung ratio niya ay magiging 6 is to 6. And then you have to get the last number. Remember ratio and proportion. How do you go from 1 to square root of 2? You multiplied it by square root of 2. So, ang gagawin mo lang dito ay i-multiply din by square root of 2. So, the answer is 6 square root of 2. So, ang gitna na to ay 6 square root of 2. 6 square root of 2. Which is letter B. Letter B is the answer. Use X as reference. Okay. So, I'll give another example, guys. I'll give another example. As usual, every time we share a 45, 45, 90, we have to give people more examples. So, for example, this is 4. Kapag 4 naman ang given sa hypotenuse, remember, 1 is to 1 is the square root of 2. So, dito mapupunta ang 4. And how do you go back to find x and y? How do you go back to find x and y? You have to divide it by square root of 2. So, remember, isipin mo lang dyan, how do you go back from square root of 2 here? You need to divide. Pag papunta naman dito, papunta dito, you need to multiply by square root of 2. So, how do we divide 4 divided by square root of 2? Okay? How do we divide that? 4 divided by square root of 2, we have to rationalize it. We have to rationalize it, which means you have to multiply it by square root of 2 over square root of 2 kasi bawal magkaroon ng radical or square root sa baba sa denominator. So, you have to multiply that. This will become 4 square root of 2 and then yung baba, pag minultiply mo ang square root of 2 sa square root of 2, that will give you, makakancel ang square root. Conjugate pala. Conjugate ang tawag. That will become 2. So, this is equal to, makakancel ang 4 and 2 dito, 2 square root of 2. But this is a long method, guys. So, if I were you and lagi nyo lang nakikita yung 45, 45, 90, ang pwede nyo gawin kapag hypotenuse ang given, when hypotenuse is given, all you have to do is multiply it by square root of 2 over 2. So, that means, this will become, makakancel ang etong dalawa, and that will become 2 square root of 2. Okay, ganun siya. So, I'll give another example. What if sa rectangle, hindi gagana kasi hindi siya 45, 45, 90. Pag rectangle, basta depende kapag dapat 45, 45, 90 yung given sa na angle sa triangle. Doon lang ginagamit ang ratio na to. Okay? Let's give you another one, guys. What if hypotenuse is 10? If hypotenuse is 10, what will the angle be? Or what will x and y be? What will x and y be if the hypotenuse is 10? Ma'am, dinadaldal ako. 5 square root of 2. Yes. Paano nakuha? 5 square root of 2. Square root. Okay. How do we get that? Remember, ang hypotenuse, multiply mo lang sa square root of 2 over 2. Yun yung shortcut natin, guys. Multiply mo sa square root of 2 over 2. Basically, i-divide mo lang siya by 2. And then, matitira yung square root of 2. So, that becomes 5 square root of 2. Yes, we are back to the basics. Oblique triangle, I'm not sure. Wala pa naman tayong na yan. You're gonna sleep now. Goodbye, AL. Come back tomorrow. Are you guys done? Are we done for the day? Is this our last question? The answer is letter B. Pagod na ba kayo, guys? Let me time check. It's 9:35. Let me put up a poll. Or are we done for today, guys? Tomorrow we don't have a live, but we will have a live on Tuesday to Friday. I think. Tuesday. Basta Tuesday meron, guys. So, wala lang bukas. Past bedtime na daw. May pasok pa kayo bukas, guys. So, last na. Do you want one more last? Walang pas. One more last. Okay, who wants one more last? Wait, let me put up a poll just to see. Or if you want to end na. Poll. So yes, if you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We usually go 1 hour 30. Okay, but yeah, we can end naman if most people, if you have class tomorrow. Happy face if one more. Sad face if you want to go to sleep. Last one, guys. Happy face. One more. Sad face, go to sleep. Happy face, one more. Sad face, we go to sleep. Just make sure to follow so you can come back next time. There were a lot of people today, so thank you for being here. We try to go live every day because the UPCAT is in 21 days. So you have 3 weeks to study, guys. If I were you, you have to lock in right now. You can only take the UPCAT once in your life, and if you aren't locking in, maybe you don't deserve to go into UP, you know. You have to study for it talaga because everybody wants to get that free education. And onti lang talaga yung slots sa UP. So, you have to make the most of it right now, guys. Kaya, if kaya nyo pa mag-aral, mag-aral pa kayo. Number 67, I'll show you later. So, after this, okay? So, okay, one more question since people, thank you for voting in the poll, guys. This one's very basic naman, kaya I offered one more. If a triangle has sides 4, 8, and 11, which could be the sides of a similar triangle, okay? Remember, the meaning of a similar triangle is same may ratio or proportion siya. Katulad dito, similar quadrilateral. Dito naman, similar triangle. So, ang ratio niya dapat ay 4 is to 8 is to 11. So, dapat multiple siya ng 4, 8, and 11. So, as you can see, itong una, gagana ba siya as a multiple? Does it have the same ratio? I think it's A. I think the answer is A, guys. What's your answer? Wait, let me put up the poll. Sorry. Spoiler alert. Wait, where's the poll? Where'd the poll go? Okay, custom. Okay, starting the poll. I think the answer is letter A. So, yes, the poll is up, guys. I shouldn't have said it yet. But yes, so why do I think it's letter A? Just looking at letter A, guys. When you divide this by 2 or multiply by 1/2, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 11 divided by 2 is 5.5, or 5 and 1/2. How do I know that 1/2 is 0.5? Oh, the poll is up there. It's at the corner. It's color purple. So, yes. Kaya, A is the same ratio kasi pag dinivide siya by a similar common ratio, which is 1/2, or pag dinivide siya lahat by 2, kailan tatama si Regine? Eventually. Okay. So, kaya letter A ang sagot. And pag na-check nyo na letter A ang sagot, wag nyo natignan yung ibang question or yung ibang choices. Kasi nagmamadali nga tayo sa UPCAT. Hindi ba pwede ang B? Try natin ang B, guys. So, letter B. So, 8, 16, 24. So, dito, paano siya naging 8? You multiply by 2. And then dito, paano siya naging 16? You multiply by 2. So, check itong dalawa. Check, check. Pero dito, 11 multiplied by 2 has to be 22. So, X ang 24. Dapat, 8, 16, 22 ang sagot. So, yes, mali ang letter B. And same goes for this one and this one. Wala siyang tamang ratio, okay? No, I'm not Bisaya. But I do know some words. I know a word, I know gihigugmatika. Higigugmatika. That's all I know. Pwede multi tas divide. Yes, you can. You can do anything. You can try it out, guys. Pero since tama na yung letter A, letter A agad ang piliin nyo. Like, you don't have to question it, okay? If you get letter A correct already, letter A na ang sagot. Okay? Okay. Yes. Wow, 300 voters for our last question. That's the most we've had in so long. So, thank you for voting, guys. You can leave if you want to leave. If you have any questions about the last few items. So, somebody was asking about 67. We can go back here. But, if you guys have any more questions about the ones we've done, Yes, just ask. But, we're done na daw. Isa pa daw. 64. Okay, let's start with 67. Who was asking for this? So, yes, make sure to follow, guys. Come back on Tuesday. I think tomorrow, baka hindi ako abot ng 8 p.m. Kasi may dinner kami. But yes, hindi ako kasama sa nag-vote. Somebody. But yes, you guys can go. You guys can go. Miss Small Laude? Oh, anak ni Miss Small Laude. Interesting. Yes, you guys can go if you want to go. Is anybody asking about 67? We do language proficiency also. I do have one. So, you guys can check out my YouTube. I post on YouTube all the recordings. So, if gusto nyo makita over there, nandun ang YouTube. I upload it every night. Tapos, yung annotated file din na to, ina-upload ko din. So, also, if you're new here, free reviewers are in my IG. So, make sure to follow on IG, guys. Tapos, join the IG channel kasi doon ko ina-announce kailan ako nag-live. Explain 67. So, okay, going back here, guys. Yes, drop your questions. Nico can also answer your questions. Pa-shoutout. Guys, this is my mom. She wants a shoutout. Guys, follow my mom as well. Yes, we are ending the live soon. But yes, we're gonna answer 67 again, just for the people who didn't understand. So remember, we're just trying to count ilang triangles ang meron. Ay, ilang rectangles. So, binibilang lang natin kung ilang rectangles ang meron. For example, 1 square, what we know kasi is a square or rectangle. Yes, so a square is a rectangle, which we explained kanina. And then, ang gagawin lang natin, bibilangin lang natin lahat. So, this is 1 rectangle, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So, we got 4 over here. Next thing we have to do, count the rectangles na pa-square. So, tignan nyo lang yung outline na ginagawa ko, guys. This is 1 rectangle, this is another rectangle, and then this sa gitna is another rectangle. So, pwede mag-overlap yung rectangle. This question, actually, I feel like it's similar lang siya sa yung mga Facebook, ganyan yung mga sa Facebook, diba? But yes. Where do you upload the annotated versions? The link is in my Instagram highlights. The 5th story sa Instagram highlights if you want to check the annotated files. The folder sa Google Drive is called Julia's Annotated Reviewers. So, yes, check it out on Instagram. Pinapost ko din siya sa TikTok bulletin. So, you can join the TikTok bulletin if you want. So, that's 1, 2, 3 is over here. Then, what do we do next? Let's do 2. So, pag 3 naman ang haba, that will be 1. And then, we can also do this other one. So, that's 1. And then, this is 2. So, 2 lang yung 3 na haba. That's over here. And lastly, the longest rectangle is the one that's 4 squares long. So, that's 1 over here. Okay? Next. Very basic. All you have to do is count it. Ilan ba ang meron? Okay. 69. 69, ang ginawa lang natin ay ratio and proportion. So, we got the shortest side, which is 8. 8 ang shortest side. And 20 ang longest side. So, 8 is to 20 yung ratio, and then x is to 30. 8 is to 20 is to x is to 30. So, ang ginawa lang natin, we turned it into fraction form. 8 over 20 is equal to x is to 30. Somebody said we should solve it cross-multiply. So, 8 over 20 is equal to x over 30. So, i-cross-multiply natin. Pero mas matagal kasi yun, guys. Ang mangyayari dyan, that will be 8 times 30 is equal to x times 20. Di-divide mo pa rin siya by 20. So, we divide this by 20. It will become 30 over 20 times 8. And then, tama ba? Yeah, tama. And then, we can remove the 10. The zeros over here, we can remove them. That will be 3 times 8 divided by 2. And then, that will be 24 over 2 is equal to 12. Do we get what we did? Overtime na. Yeah, we're just repeating it. Okay. But yes, we can end there, guys. I must go as well. 45 is a nice number. Do you have any one more question if anybody has one more? I'm gonna upload it naman. Also, the recording, guys. Pwede nyo panoorin. Any pause nyo na lang if hindi nyo siya gets. Okay? 62 ang unang nagsabi. So, I'll check out 62. Hala, wag yung 62. Mahaba yan. Pwede nyo na lang siya panoorin ulit. Basically, we use the ano. Drop your questions daw about UP. If you have questions about UP, you can ask Nico. Physics, not yet. I'm sorry, I don't want physics. I hate it. Trigo, we haven't taught Trigo, but we can teach Trigo soon. We're still in analytic geom on our lessons. But yes, we can get there soon. Where to watch? Over here. So go to my YouTube channel over there. Check out the YouTube. It's over here. The red text. Do you guys see it? So make sure to subscribe, guys. We're almost at 6,000 people on YouTube. So let me share with you my YouTube. Hindi kasi siya pwede ipakita, guys. We reached 6,000 on YouTube. Thank you, guys. But yes, also on Instagram, make sure to follow. I post the links there. Pati yung Instagram channel. We're almost at 10K there. That's kind of crazy. So yes, make sure to follow the Instagram. I will shout out right now. We're so close to 10K, guys. So yes, make sure to follow. 70. Oh, this one is just 1/2. So we divided the rectangle like this, pababa dito. Pababa siya dito, and you can see kalahati lang siya. Triangle is half, and triangle is half on this side. So obviously, half lang siya ng whole. Okay. We're ending there. 9:50. We're ending at 9:50. Or 9:48. I was STEM valedictorian. So, STEM. Top 1 ako sa STEM. But, my EPIS. Guys, where? I do not like. My course is Management Engineering. Industrial Engineering siya in UP. Should I skip Saturday class for the UPCAT? Yes, you should. You need to take the UPCAT, guys. You can only take it once. Major in English or Soc-Sci? I think Soc-Sci. I think. For me. If I were to pick. Because English, I'm not sure, like, what would you, unless you really like English. When's the UPCAT in Cebu? It's all August 2 to 3 everywhere. 9:50 mas maganda. Loxy pati ikaw. Okay, 2 more minutes. You're about to shift? No, don't shift anymore. Okay, no, actually you guys should shift. Tips for STEM. You're finally senior high. Tips for STEM. I think focus talaga. Learn calculus as early as now. Kasi important siya if you go into an engineering degree. So, if you really want to do engineering, you need to know the calculus. So, listen to the limits and the derivatives pagdating sa STEM. Also, all the science there. Tips for practicing math, guys. Make sure to do it every day. So, if you have a hard time studying alone, go rewatch our recordings, okay? So, I post the recording every day or every time we go live, and then try to answer questions on your own then. So, so every time I have a question, pretend I go here. Before I answer this one, try to answer it on your own, and then i-play mo na lang yung video after nasagutan mo na. Okay. I just graduated, guys. No, I studied in Ateneo. Okay, we're ending in 1 minute, 9:50. Thank you guys for being here. Come back on Tuesday night. I'm okay. 1 minute. we don't end on an ugly number. Bye, Danielle. Thank you for being here. Thank you. Say goodbye, guys. I'm gonna say goodbye. Bye, Chin. Good night. No, I don't know any other language. Bye, somebody. Oh, 50 na. Nico, you're still there. Bye, Nico. Thank you for being here. Bye, Nico. Bye, Lloyd. Bye, CXI. See you guys on Tuesday. Thank you for staying, Nico. Good luck on your org stuff. Bye, Mikey. Bye, Ryuzaki. Bye, CPTNC. Bye, Bea. Okay, bye, guys. I gotta go before it turns 9:51. Bye.